Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're reviewing Novo Bank, a completely free online business bank account. Novo is a great option for small businesses and new LLCs, especially if your business is mostly online. With no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirement, and unlimited transactions, Novo stands out among traditional business accounts. Alright, so now let's discuss the pros of Novo Bank. First, there are no fees, a big win for many users. Novo also provides free invoicing and budgeting tools, making it easier to manage your business finances. Another standout feature is its integration with popular apps like Stripe, Square, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and QuickBooks, streamlining your payment processes. You can also get ATM fee reimbursements for up to $7 per month, and your funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000, ensuring your money is secure. Additionally, Novo offers zero liability protection on your debit card and gives you a virtual card that can be frozen and unfrozen anytime. Lastly, Novo offers exclusive discounts such as $5,000 in waived Stripe processing fees and various savings for businesses using partnered services. Now let's move on to the cons of Novo Bank. There are a few cons to keep in mind. Since Novo is mainly an online bank, you cannot deposit cash, which means this is a drawback if you deal with cash frequently. Another limitation is that Novo doesn't offer domestic wire transfers. While you can receive both domestic and international wire transfers, you'll need to use ACH transfers for sending money, which are free but may not suit everyone's needs. And now, here are the requirements to open an account. Opening an account in Novo is simple. You need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid ID like a driver's license or passport, a US phone number, social security number, and a US address. Novo works for sole proprietors, LLCs, corporations, and nonprofits, making it accessible to various business types. And now to sign up, you just need to enter your business email, create a password, and follow the straightforward steps. The whole process is quick and approves usually via email after your application is submitted. And that's a wrap on Novo Bank. I hope this review helps you decide if it's the right fit for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And now to sign up, you just need to enter your business email, create a password, and follow these straightforward steps. This whole process is quick, and approvals usually come via email after your application is submitted. And that's a wrap on Novo Bank. I hope this review helps you decide if it's the right fit for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.